Here we go, baby. Good morning. Good morning. We should be live. We should be live. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin's under 50. It's all Tesla's fault. What's going on, Scoogs? Good morning. Robert B, good morning. Stacks a lot. Andrew P, 52. Let's go. We have 5 minutes. Got our coffee. This time it's hot. It's a hot one today. The show is live. Yes, I am. I'm a shill. Let's go. 4:20 on the clock. Let me brighten up the screen really quick. Has like this auto dark mode feature, I guess. Brightness goes down. Then I can't see. That's fine. There we go. Do you guys notice this? The activate windows is gone for today. Morning, Victor. Morning, C3D. Let's see what's trending. Oh yeah, I have to talk about this. It's still trending. Are you kidding me? Number one thing trending is don't buy Tesla. Hashtag don't buy Tesla. Cardano is trending. Doge for Tesla is trending. AMC squeeze is trending again. Crypto Twitter is trending. Yeah, I heard Kramer was farting all over on CNBC. He was letting them rips. Let's pull up this really quick. Where are the indicators at? We got 3 minutes still. Let's see. That's a dirty double bottom, guys. At 48K, at 47. If Bitcoin cracks 47, it's probably gonna come down to like below 40s. First stop is gonna be 45 and then 43. Yeah, this whole Bitcoin scandal with Tesla and Elon, I know it doesn't leave a good taste in my mouth, you know? Like I said, I'll call anybody's BS. Adam Aaron, Elon Musk, I don't give an F who it is. When something's not right and I feel like it's not, that's me holding Tesla. That's coming from me holding Tesla too. I don't like that. I kind of it leads me to believe it's manipulation, you know? I'm no cult here, baby. No, it's no echo chamber. Uh, Stocks up though. Futures are up. We had a low, I think it was like 477K jobless claims compared to like 503K last week. How about Doge? What is Doge at? I think it was 43 cents yesterday. Oh, that 40 flat. I think 30 is reasonable for Doge. 30 cents was actually the price it was at before the whole SNL hype. So we're at 0.40, nearly 41 cents for Doge. 49.7 Bitcoin under 50 Ethereum. There's that pullback I was talking about. The 4 hour wasn't looking too stable. We covered this in last night's video. Last night we were, I think, at 4K. And I said a reasonable pullback is 35. And I think that's exactly where it pulled back yesterday evening. Um, if it comes down even further, maybe 3K. I've seen people try to get in at 2,500. I think I saw me Kevin's video. Me Kevin is trying to get in at 1,500. So he thinks 1,500 is going to be a pullback. I don't know if it'll hit 15. I think the lowest will probably be like 25 before another move up. Oh, what's going on, William? Beware of the Doge. Yeah, beware. It's coming down under. Shiba is down 32%. Safe Moon. The only green thing is Cardano, and Cardano is again trending on Twitter. This has to do with the, there we go, market just opened by the way. With the energy factor. They're like literally every reply on Elon's tweet is Cardano being pumped on there. So that's why it's up. But this don't buy Tesla thing is not great for the stock at all. Like this move from Elon, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it makes me just want to sell Tesla and don't touch the stock in a while. It's already under a lot of heat with the China situation. Uh, the energy consumption of Cardano network is 6 GWh. The energy consumption of Bitcoin 130 terawatts, over 21,000 times more. You short sell it? No, I wouldn't short Tesla. All right, there we go. Futures are ripping. Come on, Tesla, follow along, baby. Let this be one of those days where you just have that rip, that bounce. Look at the 4 hour. Crucial moments here on Tesla on the 4 hour. We're once again testing that EMA. If we get rejected today, it's gonna be a very disappointing day, especially with Nasdaq ripping right now. That strength is kind of delayed here on Tesla, slightly. Let's see how other stocks are reacting to this. Oh, there we go. Apple's push. Let me move my screen to the right really quick so I'm able to stretch these charts because I know my big old head is blocking it. There we go. Facebook new high. NEO with the pullback and an immediate rebound. Ethereum's bottom is 32. $550s. You think Tesla's coming down to? Yeah, that's not a crazy price. Mr. Wonderful. What about him? Alrighty, alrighty. We're above 600 again. This was a very lucky play here. Very lucky. Let's see. Arc. Shooting straight up. Roku. These airlines should be green today, guys. I think they're working on the pipeline. So these airlines should get that boost today. I know they've been getting hit left and right the whole week. What's the VIX at? Yesterday we near 30 bucks. We were near 30 yesterday after hours, 28.93. Pulling on back. This is the question. Is it a pullback before another leg up? Is this just one of those other sympathy plays, sympathy bounces on Nasdaq, on the futures? Let's take a look at SPY really quick. 408. Dow green. Not looking too solid on Tesla. Bitcoin back above 50. Damn, down 13% in the last week. Jimmy is popping. Let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah, we're back above 150. This is the GameStop tweet pump right here. GameStop has been hinting us for a squeeze. What's the volume on GameStop? Anybody have it? 250K. Yeah, I mentioned that this morning, guys. This can be a bull trap. It's we've been getting wrecked. Monday we got wrecked. Tuesday we got wrecked, but we had a rebound the entire day and we closed flat on Nasdaq. Yesterday, I don't even explain what happened. Today, it can be one of those little bounces, and then the crap show continues. It can continue to sell off. So I do not want to get too fooled by this little pump here today. This might be just a little rebound we're seeing here. We have a couple great catalysts. We have the pipeline. We have the jobless claims that came in a little better than expected. What did the PPI come in at? I haven't peeped that yet. 152 GameStop. There we go. This can also just be a. Do you guys know what happens with GameStop when it starts to rally like this? It just starts to get crazy. All the FOMO people. But we need to get back to the 180s, man. What's going on, Jayla? It's been a hot mess, yeah. Green's the color we're looking for today. This was yesterday's, by the way. I don't think it's been updated. Or maybe, because Apple's green. That Apple rally, look, this is what we need Tesla to be doing, and we're not seeing that. This has to be the whole don't buy Tesla effect from Twitter, which is number one. Don't buy Tesla. Looks like Bitcoin people are going against Elon. Calling it a pump and dump. There we go. Futures bouncing. I'm talking, let's go 625. This has been the resistance level since Tuesday. 620s is where we kind of get a little toppy, a little uncertain on Tesla. Let's take a look at NEO really quick. Glance over at the brother 34. Xpeng has earnings to. Oh, they had earnings, yes. Oh, pre-market today. Pre-market. Uh, Trading higher than reported, better than expected. Q1 ADS and sales results. What other stocks had earnings recently? Oh, Palantir. I think Kathy Wood bought a couple more shares on this one yesterday for sure. We had this ridiculous 1635 pre-market low, and it closed at 20 after hours. What a rebound on Tuesday we had. Then yesterday, you guys know what happened. Today, it is pulling on back down. Anybody here holding Palantir? The stock has been really uncertain lately. AMC up over 11 for the first time in a while. There we go. 1150 pre-market. Is there any news on this one, or is it just because it's trending? So on the 4 hour, is this one touching the higher end of the trend line? Almost. So you might get that again. 12. I think 12 is where it has that resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. It might be, what is it, 5? Quintip? Or how do you say that? Is that even a quintip? Quintuple. Right? Yeah, quintuple top. I've never seen that. It's usually a quadruple top. But here we go. 5 times. It might be the 12 stretch. You might get that $1 push here. Above 4 hour. It got wrecked for 8 days in a row under EMA. Slightly held above 9. I like that. Nice. It seems to be like 9 support. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might get that 5th test at $12. There we go. Nasdaq pulling back. Damn you, Nasdaq. Was this a bull trap? Oh shoot. Coinbase? What is Coinbase at? 300 still? Pulled back to 266. Oh, it has earnings today. I forgot. Oof. Earnings for Coinbase today. I think Coinbase earnings are going to affect the overall crypto market. That's what I think. There's something definitely going on behind that post he did on Twitter is not true. I don't believe it at all. You think Elon's going to buy Bitcoin not knowing the energy situation? You really think so? Perhaps one of the smartest individuals on the planet. You think he's going to be ignorant like that? I do not think so, 100% at all. I'm just so certain he didn't. There's something else, you know? There's no way. There's no way. I even think I remember because I have his alerts. I love Elon, man. Like I have his alerts on Twitter. I look through his Twitter, see what he likes, see what he replies to, and I think if I remember, he replied to somebody talking about the energy situation. Yeah, I think he agreed. So it's like he knows, man. He knows there's something else that we don't know that we're not seeing here. And we are pulling back. Oh yeah, Morrow was taking a huge blow after hours yesterday. Thank you, Elon. It was exactly at 3:06 p.m. where he tweeted, and Bitcoin fell. It went from 54, I believe, to like 46K. Oh, actually, I had like 500 bucks in Coinbase, and as soon as he tweeted that, I knew Bitcoin was gonna tank. And I think I bought 500 in Bitcoin. Let me log into my Coinbase. I think it was very high too, like 502K. We got a show. It says Rolf is a paper-handed beat. Yes, I am, baby. You see these hands? They're made of paper. They're made of paper. SNL Bitcoin folks took down Doge. It was a very buy the rumor, sell the news. Not surprised at all, honestly. Yeah, GameStop's having a nice little jump this morning. I like that. I like that. He's not an AMC. I'm not an AMC. I paper handed AMC. And I do not regret it one bit. Use Coinbase Pro to buy. Tesla pulling back. Oof, the market is down 10.5% in the last 24 hours for crypto. Let me log in really quick. I think I'm only down like something like super small, like 50 bucks on my Bitcoin. And I was thinking of buying more if it fell. Like probably 2K more maybe. If it fell under to like really low 40s. What's my password? Uh my phone gets a code. Stocks shrug off the latest. Ethereum is up 38. That's a long code. 6359116. Oh, now they send me an email link because I've never signed into my Coinbase account on this. Oh, there's no hurt feelings, man. There's no hurt feelings if you mention AMC here. It's like I have way thicker skin. Like I've this is nothing compared to what I've lived through and experienced things in the past. This is like I've been robbed so many times at gunpoint. Like there's just so many. I've been shit on. Like I don't even want to go into it, man. It's like it's crazy. This is nothing. Why is it not letting me log in? There we go. So we're at 516 on the balance. So like my portfolio balance for Bitcoin was like $50 for like 3 years. Because I think I had like $7 in there. Let me see. So this was like for a long time. Just stayed flat. No, this is 1 month. See, I had $6 for like a whole year. I didn't even pay attention to it. And right here, I think I put that in Bitcoin, and that $7 went to like 50. And then we had 553 that we deposited, and this was when we bought Bitcoin. We're kind of getting, but if it drops, I'm gonna add way more. So let's just wait and see. Or maybe even some Cardano. Maybe even some Cardano. Market is gonna be messed up until GME is done. I disagree. I don't think it's the GME, man. The whole concern now is inflation. Is inflate this virus. That's the real concern. There we go. Under six again. Bear trap. Maybe, maybe. There we go. That's the updated one. That is the updated one. It looks way better than yesterday's for sure. Let's see. Let's see. Twitter. Funny, there is such a debate whether inflation is transitory. As equity investors, we are trained to look past one-time factors to estimate true earnings power. That's true, but that requires patience. Here, we don't back out one-time reopening price hikes on airfares, hotels, car rentals, and used cars. Car rentals, interesting. So look at this tweet. So you sold your stocks yesterday. You're back at 0% cash position. If there's inflation at 2 to 3% and your bank pays you zero, what do? A, you lose money, or B, you buy back stocks. It depends. It depends. It's not as easy as that. Oh, what's going on? What's going on in the chat? Uh, oh, the Sea Green is always welcome, baby. You buy the crypto dip if you're smart. I'll be back to say I told you so. No, you won't. Not if I ban you right now. All right, we're back down under six, guys. I think this was a slight little bull trap pre-market. I think that's what it was. This whole don't buy Tesla on Twitter. It's making me uncomfortable, man. Like it's not. I don't like that being a Tesla shareholder. I kind of, like I said, I don't like what Elon did. It does. Like I said, I'll call anybody out on their BS when something doesn't feel right. As much as I love Elon, it seems to me like that was a massive pump and dump. That is not good at all. What a crap show, man. Bitcoin 50.1K. Oh, my Tesla is his ways of getting back at him. Yeah, that's the whole reason behind that movement on Twitter. You got the whole crypto crowd going against him. Guess who also went off on him? Portnoy. Portnoy, he's like me. He's like, I'm a big Tesla boy, you know. Yeah, I'm Elon Musk fan, but he's calling him out too. He says people said Elon Musk was the master of Bitcoin. He tweeted this 5 minutes ago. Turns out he's the puppet master and he's playing us all. Look, let's just go over some of his tweets. He might be cussing a lot, so just FYI.
Oh, Bitcoin can be mined in a more environmentally friendly manner. Elon is toying with people's fortunes. Listen, I'm for the environment, and I don't know nearly enough. I don't comment on things I don't know about. Whether Bitcoin is good for the environment, Bitcoin's bad for the environment, or the parabolic guy's using too much gas in his Ferrari, I don't fucking know. I don't comment on things I don't pretend to know. Or if I do, I let you know that I don't know, that I pretend to know, that I know. That's me. So maybe there's truth to the environment, maybe there's not. Here's what I do know. We got 1 minute. Elon, as of 5 fucking minutes ago, was pro-Bitcoin, saying that they were going to accept Bitcoin, saying that, and then he put Bitcoin on the Tesla balance sheet so Bitcoin could make all this fucking money. He sold some of the Bitcoin, and I'm like, oh, what's going on there? He's like, I had to prove the liquidity of the Bitcoin market, that you can move this much Bitcoin, it's all liquid. I had to prove that. That's why he said he sold it. He didn't fucking mention the environment. For such a smart guy, he acted like someone just knocked on his door. He's like, oh, by the way, it's bad for the... Where have you been, Elon? You've been doing this shit now, playing Wizard of Oz with Doge and Bit, and all of a sudden, it's a 180? Ding, ding, ding. This smells to me what he has been doing, in my opinion, now for a year. And by the way, you may want to tip your cap to him. He says he's the master of coin. He's the puppet master. He is just playing God with the crypto market. He tweets positive, it goes up. He tweets negative, it goes down. He says Doge is a hustle, it crashes. He says crypto or Bitcoin is bad for the environment, it crashes. He's probably buying more right now. And then he's going to tweet, just kidding.
Just kidding. Oh, guys, there's no way. I think this was...
Tesla stock back in the day when he tweeted out famously, it was too high. It dropped 10%.
Oh, that was crazy. You guys remember that when he tweeted Tesla stock is too high, in my opinion? Or the legendary epic where he got fined by the SEC like 20 million, himself and Tesla, the funding secured, taking it private, 420. They're going to find Musk again? Oh, I think so too. I think so too. Ouch, Alibaba. So I have an alert on this sub 211. 211 was that low here. Back in December too. You have that what? That triple bottom, baby. If it seeks under 311, 211, I'm sorry. I think I said 3, right? 211. We're looking at maybe 200 test. Oh yeah, and we also this happened a while ago though. The 2.8 billion fine. Bitcoin is down because hedges need liquidity. They're the only ones selling. They can use Elon as an excuse. I mean, it's holding 50 pretty well. AMC. What's going on with AMC? Still pushing up. 1166. Like I said, I think it could hit 12 today. I think it could hit that what was it, fifth time resistance here. This range is where we were kind of at for the whole February time, March, April. Now we're in May. So if it breaks past 12 this time and it doesn't get rejected here, you're probably looking at 1350s. No, I'm waiting for Baba to come down a little bit lower too. I'll drink my water really quick. Hold on, give me 1 second. Gotta stay hydrated, baby. It's chest day today. And I'm gonna go this Friday. I haven't been going to the movies. It's been like 2 weeks. I've just been exhausted on Fridays. Like I can't. It's hard for me to go out on Fridays. Like it'll be towards like the night, right? And I sometimes I feel like I'm older, you know? Like I'll just be I'm just gonna stay home and read a book or something. Like it's like I feel like I'm older. I don't know what it is. Like I don't have the desire to go out. It doesn't appeal to me anymore. It makes me kind of sad though, because somebody told me that you're gonna regret it when you're older. You're gonna be that guy at the club with young people that never really lived life like that. And I was like, damn, that kind of hit me. But that doesn't appeal to me. I don't know what it is. And hopefully in the future I don't regret it. Was hoping on the 5 minute chart that Tesla would have the 50 EMA stay above 200. That 4 hour is freaking lethal on Tesla. Look at this. We're not breaking past the 4 hour. It makes me a little nervous because if you look back at the other two times, Tesla aggressively sold off 539. You guys remember this was the time we got clapped and we barely broke even on this one. I think we took a small loss. And 591, they were both followed by an aggressive curl up above EMA. They shot up aggressively. And this time around, third time is not a charm. This is the third time we've gotten rejected at EMA on the 4. That's not good. But obviously, the whole environment, stocks, crypto, the whole situation with inflation is just being put under a microscope right now. It's just worse. And like we mentioned a couple of videos ago, after earnings are done, that's the focus. That's the focus. Who cares? You will own the club, exactly right. There we go. Let's go back above 6, baby. Tesla, come on, realize you're oversold. It's the small retailers who are getting screwed this week. Those with under 25K in their accounts, limited liquidity, and T3 turnaround. Otherwise, is day trader pair. Absolutely. That's another thing. If you're under the PDT, if you're under 25K in your accounts, you're only limited, of course, to 3 day trades. Meaning buy and sell the same day, not buy and holding the next day. Same day, 3 day trades. It's not the best actually. Like once I got over the 25K, it's a brand new world, man. Like, but you have to be careful. Just because you could trade 1,000 times a day doesn't mean you're gonna do it 1,000 times a day. There's a thing called over trading. Sometimes the more trades you take, the more L's you're gonna take. Sometimes you're not in your zone. Sometimes you keep taking L after L after L. Sometimes the best thing you can do is day trade with one share. Just get one share, get that green, get your momentum going, get flowing. That's it. And you're able to be on fire like that. There's days where you just can't hit any trade. So just you'll know it. You'll feel it too. Like every play you do is just a winner. Let's see. Viacom 40.10. How did this one close yesterday? So this one hit 40.67, right? And I told you I wasn't too convinced for a position yet. Pulled back, of course, bloody market 39.15. Now we are rebounding one more time. Sorry about that. I had to bust a little Jim Cramer really quick. So we're back above 40. This was another one I think is really oversold, but again, the technicals speak to me. The technicals tell me a different story. We're not breaking past. Twitter's another one that's been a crap show. We're not seeing that bounce yet. What's going on, Nikki? Good morning. Where's my good morning? Oh, there it is. Good morning. I'm sorry I missed your message. I kind of have to scroll back. When you live in San Diego, it's way too much partying. Oh, Tell me about it, San Diego. Been there a couple times. It's crazy. What's that one place, Gas Lantern or Gas Green Lantern or what's it called? San Diego? Gas Lantern, right? Or something like that? Overpriced drinks. Pff, yeah, right. Yep. Use that money, baby. Invest it in the market. 20 years from now, you'll thank yourself. You'll thank yourself. Garnett Street? I don't think so. Gas lamp, my guy. Gas lamp, there you go. What did I say? Gas lamp, green lamp or some shit? Gas lamp district. Yeah, very lit out there. Gas lamp. Yep, 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 yep. Gas lamp district. 599. Above 6 again. NASDAQ ripping. Come on, Tesla. Give me that V. Hell's GameStop. We had that 154 pop. Let's take a look at GameStop's Twitter. Any other short squeeze hints? Trending in the United States, it says, "We are closed. Nobody wants to work anymore." We are closed. Nobody wants to work. I wonder why. CEOs now earn 320 times more than the average worker. We are closed. The CEO is making nine-figure salary. We can't even get basic health care. I don't even want to get into this. Solana is trending. When are you going to get a girlfriend? I don't know. I want to make a couple million first. GameStop esports new Twitter. No way. I'm talking about this, man. The esports, they gotta step it up. I don't see anything. I don't see anything, man. Ryan Cohen. Yeah, Ryan Cohen posted the picture yesterday. Get a girlfriend for the money. I did have one and it wasn't the best, but actually everything happens for a reason. I think I would not be here today if it wasn't for that relationship. So you live and you learn. Some probably one of the best. The most painful moments in my life have been the best. At the time, you don't realize it. Years from now, time passes, you'll realize that that pain you went through is probably the biggest blessing you can ever get. But that's not my focus right now. Like I have no, that's not my focus. Like I have laser focus on other goals, and relationships is not one of them right now. GameStop Sports is a new Twitter account just launched, followed by GameStop. Let's see, GameStop Sports. Oh, GameStop Esports. Oh, there it is. Take a look, guys. This one, right? I think it's fake. This guy reflecting GameStop confirmed this is official. It's followed by the actual GameStop Twitter. Okay, that could actually make it legit. Let's see. Nasdaq still pushing. Texas. I don't know if this is legit. Dude, you're 23 years old. Make your 2 million prior to the age of 25. The rest will come. Everything comes this time, man. I trust God. That's it. It's in God's hands, man. People will be removed from my life for a certain reason. People will be introduced to my life for a certain reason. You know, it's like everything with time and just trust the process. You just gotta learn to trust the process, baby. AMC's fired on the AM. Yes, AMC is fired today. It's above $12. I'm sorry, 11. It's almost above 12. That trend line there on the 1 minute, it's peaking, baby. It's coming. That's from the weird thing I love my wife. You'll always lose money chasing behind women. You'll never lose women chasing money. Oh man. Finally green in AMC. There we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Let's have a green day, baby. Let's print some tendies. Come on, Tesla. You're boring me. You're gonna make me look at AMC. There's more action going on AMC than Tesla right now. That's for sure. Why does my chart scroll all the way to the right? Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin 50.7. ADA is literally the only green coin on my list right now. Shiba's getting clapped. New Purge this summer. Oh, is it the Purge series movies? I love the Purge movies. Let's see Purge movies. Oh, the Forever Purge. If you haven't seen the one with Frank Grillo, the latest one, that was a good one. Yeah, ADA is the only thing green. It's up 4% last 24. And that's because of the whole dumping on Bitcoin situation. Boing, baby. Doge is slowly creeping. It's at 42. It's trying to, well, it bottomed out at 36 yesterday. 36. It's bouncing, but the overall trend here on the 30-minute that I'm looking at is still downward. Come on, Tesla, baby. You're back above 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Tesla, as expected, finds support at 590. What is this? Some technical analysis? Yeah, that was a scary double bottom here at 590. That's the same one we're talking about. It was this right here, around 580s, I would say. I honestly thought we were coming down yesterday. After that tweet, I'm like, oh, Tesla's gonna be another bloodbath tomorrow. Looked at futures; they were surprisingly green, and we are still green today. What do I think of Crow? Is that Crow? Is that a coin? I don't think it's a stock. It is a coin. No, I don't know anything about this. It's down 10% last 24 hours. I'd have to look at the white paper for this. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you this has a pretty ugly chart though. It's kind of stuck. It was at 20 cents, now it's at 15 cents. I don't know what to say about that. Is Cloth dead? To me, yes. It's not ain't going anywhere. It doesn't look like it's moving anywhere. 15-minute, not good. That daily is just way too choppy. It's not holding its spikes. It didn't hold 17. It flopped all the way down sub 6. It even had a second chance here at 11. It's not holding. I wouldn't trade this at all, man. It's like This is probably one of those other meme stocks tied with like Microvision. Microvision was probably like the biggest flop as well. GG to this one. 28. I think it actually hit like 30 something, like pre-market one day or after hours. Now it's back under EMA where it belongs. 13 bucks. But I feel like these stocks, they're dead for now, right? But they're gonna rebound and have these random spikes. It's just a matter of time. Look, this time it had $20 here, came down to 11, boom, it shoots up to 18, comes back down to 12, shoots up again to 19, pulls back, shoots up again, pulls back. What can you expect? I think it might shoot up to 18. There is gonna be a chance of it to spike. You just don't know when. And if it does, I feel like it's gonna leave a lot of back holders. Sundial was unfortunately one of those stocks. It's under one again, but it shot up to $4 on when they had the Wall Street Bets news. Look at it now; it's 74. Rocket RKT, another one that flopped. The way I look at it is opportunity cost. When you have your money tied up on things like this, especially if you go all in, you're stuck. You're stuck and you're not able to take advantage of other opportunities, whether it be crypto, stock market, real estate. I don't know. You're just pretty much all in on a stock, you know? Opportunity cost. That's the way I see it. Visa. Yeah, we bought Visa a while ago at 205, around 205, 206. We bought it way down here as it pulled back. And we even sold like at 215, I think. Like it wasn't even at 230s. We sold way too early. Walmart was another one. This stock is actually pulling back. We bought at 138 and it still collapsed all the way to 125. So we didn't even time the bottom perfectly, but we held and we made a little profit on this one. MasterCard is one I'm actually looking forward to dipping around 340 range is where I'm looking for. VIX is getting obliterated. Yeah, back down to 23. Obviously, futures are green. It's a little less panic today than it was yesterday. Was just, oh my gosh, horrible. That's the question. Short term, how long is that? 1 day, 2 days? It's like when they say inflation is it's transitory. It's like what does that even mean? Transitory can mean 1 day, it can mean a month, it can mean a year. You don't really know, you know? That's the uncertainty. We're ripping, baby. Let's go. Ethereum Classic is under 100. Is anybody buying this on the dip? ATC, baby. Under 100. Amazon to hire 75K workers and will pay 100 bonus if they have the COVID vaccine. Let's see what else we have on Twitter. Ellen DeGeneres to end talk show after 19 seasons. Yeah, that went bad too. The whole situation with that show. I think she got exposed for a lot of things. It's not good. Doge for Tesla is still trending. What's Doge at? 43 still. 43. Solana. Don't buy Tesla. It's not number one anymore. It's coming down. You look bummed out. You look bummed out now that AMC's up 13%. I'm bummed out that Tesla is under 600. That's what I'm bummed out about. Colonial Pipeline paid hackers nearly 5 million. Oh, I mean they had to. That news just broke out right now. Pipeline paid hackers 5 million. Tesla back down under 594. Nasdaq pulling back. Still green on the heat map. There's a new 75K employees. And you get a bonus. Average pay of more than 17 an hour. And 100 bonus if you have the vaccine. My professor's also giving extra credit if we get the vaccine. I was like, nope. I was like, I ain't gonna get chipped, baby. And he started laughing. Gardenome. See, I don't even know how you type that on your keyboard with the A and E stuck together. On a Mac, hold down the A key. Oh, that's a Mac. Oh yeah, yeah. When you hold on the like my last name has the N, right? Has the N on top, the little squiggly line. Forgot what that's called. I need to look that up. But that's how you do it as well. Yes, yes. That tilde, that's what it's called. What's your opinion on the vaccine? I'm still gonna get it regardless. I mean, I think to go back to school this fall, you have to take it, so there's nothing I can do. Absolutely nothing. So let's at least go for today a 600 close on Tesla. That's what we're looking for. I got the screwed up man. Oh, we're looking for a 600 close. That's it. That's it. That's the first step to recovery. I think Thinkorswim just took a dump on me, guys. It's not letting me look up. There we go. The first step is admitting you have a Tesla problem. Maybe slightly, maybe. Anybody know what the drivers were for AMC? I don't know, man. I always look for the news catalyst. Oh, it's so close to $12. I got that ask there. No, I always check the news catalyst and I don't see any. Oh, this just came up. AMC Entertainment Options Others May 28 $9 calls and ask 260 at 3. I really just look at Stonko tracker for the options. I think it's because it's trending on Twitter. I don't know. I don't really keep up too much with the stock anymore. I'm more on all my attention's pretty much kind of like on Tesla, the overall markets. I'm trying to see Twitter. I don't see any option talk on here. I don't know. I don't know the answer, man. Oh, apart from the no dilution, yeah, they pulled back the 500 mil for now. How's my Bitcoin? Still 50. Stuck there, man. Ever since that bounce from yesterday, it's just been kind of stuck at 50. Better than 47, right? Mm-mm. We'll end it in 8 minutes. We'll just see what happens with Tesla. It's chest day. If it comes down under 580s, uh, 539 double bottom is possible after this rejection at 4 hour. Double down Tesla by another 30, maybe. We'll see. Crypto starting to come back. It's stabilizing, yes. Ethereum, what are we at? 38, 3800, close to 39. The fact that we stopped dropping on there, it's beautiful. It's a healthy pullback. That's exactly what you just need. That's what you need. You don't want these stocks or these coins just to rip and just keep on flying. There has to be a healthy pullback, sustain levels before continuing momentum. So AMC above 12. Let's go, baby. That was the breakout 12-13. Damn, it's really touching that upper momentum on here one more time. Congrats to y'all. Who's holding AMC? Let me see in the chat. Who is holding AMC? That's the real winner today. Up 17%. Without the market really pushing too. Elon Musk is not crypto. Crypto is a world of its own. That's another debate, man, that people are having. That why are people crapping on Elon for that reason? $450 shares, 500 here. A fourth on my portfolio, 1,000. Check AMC news. That PR from yesterday looks like it was a trigger for all cinemas. Just look at the listed tickets. From where? On Twitter? Now, if it holds 12, I'll be really surprised. Though they're fourth on GameStop, we need that GameStop push, man. On Think or Swim. Oh yeah, he did bring it on himself. I had over 2K recoup some profits. I think you were, yeah, I think you told me you were done, right? Oh, it holds 12, yeah. Yeah, this is it, yeah. Maybe that I think this might be the catalyst. Yeah, I agree with you. I think that's what it is. Oh, Alibaba's falling, guys. Baba's coming down. So if it holds 12, I'll be really surprised. Maybe a 1250 push. This brings back those days where it just honored the EMA. It just kept on bouncing, kept on bouncing. It'll hit like 1250 and then it'll pull back and it'll close above 12. That is what I was missing on AMC. Uh, what's going on, Tom? Yeah, we're about to end it. What are your thoughts or what was buying options on AMC this morning late to your stream? Oh yeah. We're it's above 12. Great PR. Adam Aaron goes to one cinema per day and works the 8 p.m. shift making popcorn. AMC's high markup item. Apart from those freaking 64-ounce Cokes they were talking about, that was pretty funny. Pure marketing genius. Yeah, I think Adam Aaron is like he is brilliant. Well, sometimes he can make silly mistakes like that 500 mil, which is completely stupid. But he did retract that. The fact that he's on Twitter, I believe, engaging with the apes, engaging with people. I love that. It's like Elon. He's out there on Twitter. Obviously, Elon's not doing the best right now, but the fact that he's doing that, I like that. As a CEO, if you're not on Twitter, you're dead. You're irrelevant. You know, so he's working that. He's working that. I like that. Get in now. You're absolutely crazy if you think I'm gonna buy now. Oh, please tell me no. Look, zero position. Zero. And then he pulled it after the fact that everyone was just going crazy over it. Like I did. I was going crazy over it. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get diluted 100%. You're tripping, Adam, if you think I'm gonna stay and hold through this 100 plus dilution. And you didn't even tell us why you need the shares for. And he might have gone told by his proxy advisors, "Yo, Adam, this thing's not gonna pass, man. You should just pull it out." And if I was in this situation and I'm like, "This is brilliant. If it's not gonna pass, I'm gonna pull it out to make it seem bullish," you know? So I can kind of see how he's playing it, but they moved their meeting right to like June something. So let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I don't want a FOMO. I don't think FOMO exists like within me, or else I would be chasing Tesla at 700. I'm usually more of a buy the blood, buy the dips, and if it keeps on dipping like Tesla now, which we're getting kind of wrecked on, um, you have to what cut your loss, double down, go from there. You have to like the market right now. The current situation with the whole inflation concerns is not the best. The Bitcoin sell off, it's like nah. Maybe just pass on the double down. If AMC dilution went through, then AMC would be at $2. Absolutely agree. Absolutely. I don't know what he thought he was doing. He did it once already. Like why he thought he could get away with another 500 mil? Absolutely not. What Ralph just said, wait and see if they put it back on the proxy. Adam Aaron tweeted himself saying it's temporary pulled out. He said for now. That tells me it's coming back. I get the fact that they need the money, but I'm not willing to be a part of a company that's gonna get 100% diluted. Like freak no. Oh, absolutely not. The dilution he did say was played out over a few years. He said that after though, not the first time. Not the first time. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just mad chilling. I'm taking an L now, but we're chilling, you know? We're not gonna FOMO. Okay, futures. I'm not too convinced. I'm gonna set some alerts here on futures. Oh, I actually have some alerts already. So I'm gonna leave these alerts. If they trigger while we're getting a good workout, that's going to be a good sign. Let's set an alert on Tesla at 602 plus. And the alert I do not want to get are these sub 588 first and sub 577. How is 5 times your purchase price an L? It's not. Wait. Are you talking about AMC or? Because I was in AMC before all this crap. Before I didn't even know who Adam Aaron was. I didn't even know what Wall Street Bet. I knew what Wall Street Bets was, but I didn't know it was gonna have that power, that magnitude that it did in January, February. Hello, and happy EID to those celebrating Aid. What is that? Happy. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't even what's going on right now out there. Are you guys keeping up with that? It's sad. It's the whole world situation right now is pretty sad. Pray for the whole world. A true vet. That's why I follow and respect the man. No, I'm no vet. Are we talking about Adam Aaron or something? I have a lot to learn, man. A lot to learn. Hopefully, years from now, I'm able to look back and be like, wow, we've come a long way. Top shot tomorrow. Yes, I already reserved my pack, by the way. I have my packs reserved. I'm just sitting on my NFTs. I'm sitting on those Top Shot cards. It's pretty much a long-term play for me. I mean, what the packs cost like $10. There was another pack that was 150, going for 150, but you had certain requirements, and I didn't qualify for that. You have to have certain amount of points or something. We're all dealing with the COVID fatigue. Yeah, it's bad. But like I said, everything is a blessing in disguise. There's always faith and there's light at the end of the tunnel. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. With that being said, we're gonna end it here. Tesla double bottom at 588, holding pretty much there. Futures since market open, we pretty much haven't done anything yet. No sign of direction. You could kind of feel that uncertainty right now. We're not full on blowing past and bouncing aggressively. There's still some uncertainty here. So we'll see. Market watch, heat map still looking green. With that being said, today's Thursday. I'll see you guys. Power hour. Let's go read a book, guys. Go take a walk. Turn off your screens. Go hit the gym. It's chest day. Let's go, baby. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Have a good rest of your morning.